in case you enroll for this course, it is not going to be something like you just enroll, paid and get the result. This program is designed in such a way so that you genuinely learn. Hi, I am Sharmishta and I am a recent graduate of 2020 from IIM Lucknow. And currently I am working as a technical product manager in Reliance Jio. In your interview, interviewers are always looking for a point which is different and unique, given lot of students are interviewing for them. So I wanted to get that, and given digital marketing is in so much demand for all the companies, I wanted to learn how to apply that, so that I can go to the interview and say, it's not only that I have studied, but I have also did some projects on it. So that was my first objective of joining Craftshala. And second objective would be that Craftshala is a platform which gives you a lot of opportunities. It is not only that you are learning, but they also refer you to the companies. So that is also kind of opportunity you are getting out of the campus. So that was another driver for me, and I really had a very enriching experience over there. So I can recall one of the interactions. So he was the first person whom I interacted with after submission of my first round of project, which was I had to interview 10 users to ask about and to understand their pain points on the project of which I did on Cashify. So I interviewed 10 people, understood their perspective, extracted the insights and submitted. It took a lot of time for me. And then when I got in the review call, and my mentor was like, this is something is not expected. It is a very naive level job and you should do better. I was like, I thought that this is something which I did really well. But then I asked him questions that I understood it from this perspective. It took approximately 15 to 20 minutes to explain why my understanding was not exactly wrong, but it can be improved much more. And then he gave me a lot of insights about the project which I submitted, how I can improve it further. And then he also gave me approximately 7 days to work on it, so that I can improve on it and resubmit it. So later I really kept in mind which he mentioned and then incorporated all the suggestions. And the second review call really went well and he was really impressed. So I believe that the user research part, I exactly mentioned that because I utilized that user research technique in not only my case competitions, there were other academic research projects also which I did, where I had to talk to direct interaction with the users. So that was something I believe is still keep coming handy for me, because I am still interacting with the users from their pain point perspective. I would be giving an example of the case competition which was organized by Hindustan Unilever Limited. Though it was a kind of said to be a finance project, it was not primarily. It also involved lot of researches to be performed within the FMCG domain, and also we had to reach out to the users to understand their perspective, and that really helped me because before Craftshala, I didn't really know these how to perform these researches. So bookish language knowledge doesn't really help much when you are applying it to the real life. So that really helped me. So we were the national finalist in went to Mumbai and we presented our case and all the researches. So unfortunately, we were not the winner. However, the judges appreciated the results and the method of research really, and they were overwhelmed with the thing that finance case competition can also have these type of data points. So that was an output from Craftshala. So we also do group projects, lot of projects in campus for all the subjects available. So the difference would be the sense of responsibility and the strict deadline, given the scores are also dependent on how quickly and on time your submissions are. And the second difference would be the, you know, it is a live project. So whatever projects which we are doing in our college, so definitely those are really helpful and teaches us a lot of things. But the moment we are talking about a life project, it becomes a real life problem. That is something which you are going to face when you join an organization. So it is a kind of a preparation for me as well, given I was coming from a technology and engineering background and moving directly to a management background. I didn't really want to make the switch like jumping over, rather it is a kind of smooth transition. So that's where Craftshala helped me. Everybody wants to learn something new, but how serious you are about it, that really gets counted. Because in case you enroll for this course, it is not going to be something like you just enroll, paid and get the result. This program is designed in such a way so that you genuinely learn. So only if you're serious, you really want to learn something, you want to use this knowledge in your case competitions, so then it will really come handy. But in case you are willing to take it light and not really spend much time to do it seriously, this is not going to be suitable for you. So you need to be serious for it. Yeah.